aditya, and today I'm gonna make a really different thing. Rubber bands. I'm gonna make a necklace using rubber bands, and these are necklace. These are few rubber bands, and these are rubber band holders. So guys, let's start. Guys, now I'm gonna take a rubber band, and then another rubber band. Now, what will I do is take a rubber band like this, into like this, and now fold this rubber band like this. It should be right like this, and next you need to put it like this and like this. And you need to do with the others too. Now guys, I'm adding the next one. You need to do it all the time till it goes bigger, exactly